Guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be drawing the winners for the giveaway. Whoop whoop. So who's ready to see who's won? Should we get straight into it? So I'm going to be using a YouTube random comment picker to pick the winners. So I need to get the video link and I need to pop that in here. Get YouTube comments. So I'm going to filter duplicate names for anyone that's commented more than once, and I'm going to filter comments on specific text. So we're going to draw the UK prizes first. Enter me UK. Is everybody ready? So the first prize up for grabs is the designer nail art bundle that I've put together. I shall be putting pictures on the screen of the prizes, guys, just to recap your memory of what they are. So is everyone ready? Good luck, everyone. Heidi Pingu, congratulations, chick. You have won the designer nail art bundle. Heidi Pingu. So the next prize up for grabs is the Pine Polygel kit. Everyone ready? Let's go. Nails by Sue. Congratulations, Sue. You have won the Pine Polygel kit. Now we're on to the SXC prizes. So the first prize up for grabs is their 12-piece liner gel kit. Really nice kit this is. So let's pick a winner. Kim Sharman. Congratulations, Kim Sharman. You have won the 12-piece liner gel kit, my lovely. Now we're on to the SXC 24-piece liner gel kit, which is their pro kit. Good luck, everyone. Blue Moon Nails. Blue Moon Nails. You have won the SXC 24-piece liner gels. So now we're on to their massive 48-piece liner gels, which is their max kit. So good luck, everyone. Here we go. Kim Sharman, sorry, chick, you can't win twice. Pick another winner. Sorry, Blue Moon Nails, pick another winner. Natalie Boland, congratulations, Natalie. You have won the 48-piece liner gels. So that is all the UK prizes. So now we're going to pick the winners to the prizes that are open to everybody. So to enter for those, all you had to comment was enter me. Yep. So let's pick the winners. So the first prize up for grabs is going to be the £10 PayPal prize. Everyone ready? First winner is... Boom, boom, boom. Nails by Liz. Yay! Congratulations, Liz. You have won the £10 PayPal. So now we're on to the Tobe Glam prizes. And the first prize up for grabs is their red 6-piece gel polish kit, which is called True Goddess. Let's pick a winner for that. Art and Nails, Helen B. Congratulations, Helen. You have won the Tobe Glam True Goddess gel polish kit. Now we're on to the Tobe Glam All Glitters Polygel kit. Good luck, everyone. Right, guys, I've just had to jump on and do a voiceover very quickly because after recording this whole video, me and a couple of mates have been checking through the winners to make sure everyone's followed the rules, and I've had to pick a new winner for this next prize because the original winner hadn't followed any of the rules. I couldn't check if they were subscribed to me or whether they were subscribed to the sponsors because their subscriptions were set to private. And we've checked their social media and they haven't shared the giveaway post either. And I stressed throughout the giveaway video, guys, especially about having subscriptions set to public. I even made a video and added it at the end of the giveaway showing how to do it, so there was no excuse. I mean, 1 out of 12 winners isn't bad going, I suppose, to be honest. But I'm not going to get into it anyway. Let's just pick another winner. This was open to everybody, so I've put in the enter me, and the winner is Marianne Harriet. Congratulations, Marion. You have won the Tobe Glam All Glitters Polygel Kit. So the last prize for Tobe Glam is the butterfly foil glue gel kit. Everyone ready? Anil, congratulations, Anil. You have won the Tobe Glam butterfly foil glue gel. So now we are on to the Varnail prizes. So the first prize up for grabs for Varnail is the Alice and Flowers gel polish kit. Good luck, everyone. Conjure Up Nails. Congratulations. Conjure Up Nails. So you've won the Varnail 6-piece Alice and Flowers gel polish kit. The next prize is the 2 mystery solid gel palettes, what comes with the Varnail gel brush. Everyone ready? Let's go. Jen and Elizabeth show. Jen and Elizabeth show. Congratulations. You have won the Varnail 2 mystery solid gel palettes. So we're on to the last prize now, guys. I just wish I had a prize for each and every one of you, but I don't. But I will be doing more giveaways coming up, so I'm sure you will all win eventually. So the last prize up for grabs is the Varnail 9-piece luminous pudding gels. Now these are well smart. I'm going to be well gel whoever wins these. So good luck, everybody. Karina Berry, congratulations. You have won the 9-piece luminous pudding gels. So that is everything, guys. The winners are going to have, I'll say 48 hours to contact me with your contact details. You could either contact me through Facebook Messenger, Instagram, email. I shall leave those 3 links pinned in my comments. So all you've got to do is click the link on whichever one you want to contact me on. That'll make it nice and easy for you. Don't know whether they're going to need a contact telephone number. Some companies do, some companies don't. But if you don't want to give them details out, then just let me know. And we'll work a way around it. So I just want to say a massive thank you to all the sponsors, SXC, Varnail and Tobe Glam, for sponsoring the giveaway. And thank you so much for your super generous prizes. They are just, yeah, amazing prizes. And I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for all your amazing support, for your lovely comments, and any newbies that's joined us. I hope you continue to stick around, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And yeah, I think that's everything, guys. Oh yeah, give the video a thumbs up, please, if you don't mind. I'd really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in the next video. Oh, also, as well, one last thing. If anyone doesn't claim, I will be doing a redraw. So keep your eyes out for that redraw if I do need to do one. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm going to let you all go now. Take care, guys. Bye.